Hi friends,
Hi
welcome
friends.
back to our channel. Today we are going to make a very simple milk pudding in less than 1 minute.
With only two ingredients.
With only 2 ingredients.
Yeah, thank you, Samik. So
With milk and egg.
with milk and egg. So you can see this pudding. It looks very delicious, but
Nice.
all very nice and delicious. But all we needed to make this was milk, egg, and any kind of sweetener. I have used stevia, but you can use sugar or honey or whatever you are comfortable with. And you can make it in a microwave, and it can be done less than a minute. I'm going to show you how to make a smaller one. Of course, this is a bigger bowl, so it took me around 3 to 4 minutes so it was completely cooked.
So if we use a smaller bowl like this,
Yeah.
it will take like 2 or 1 minute.
It can take 1 minute till the time it is
A
fully
minute
cooked.
or 2 minutes.
Yes. So for that, as Samik said, you need milk. You can use cold or hot. I'm using just cold milk.
And you also have to use whole milk.
Yeah, yes, that's a good point. We need whole milk,
100%
full fat
full fat.
milk.
Full fat.
And if you have heavy cream, you can use heavy cream also.
That will just make it more fluffier.
That's
And
right.
you have use more eggs, it will make it even more fluffy.
That's right. So you fill the bowl, whatever bowl you have. Use a glass bowl. You fill it half, and you just take
An egg.
an egg. Since I'm taking maybe half a bowl, you can just take one.
Egg.
Just take one egg. And vanilla essence, I like to use vanilla because it some people may not like the smell of egg, like Samik doesn't like the smell of egg. You don't like it yet?
Yeah.
So I just add a little bit of vanilla essence.
So it gets some smell of the vanilla.
Yeah, if you have chocolate, you can add chocolate too.
Chocolate the license.
Yeah, you can chocolate essence, or if you want, you can add some cocoa powder too.
Yeah.
It'll be very nice. I'm going to add.
Or coffee powder. That will make it just little bitter. Like adults like.
Yeah, that's right. So if
That
it's
will make a very hearty breakfast.
that's right. So I've added 2 small teaspoons of stevia, and you don't need a beater. All you need is a fork. I think a fork does it better.
That is one.
Yeah, then a spoon. So you have to mix it nicely. You can eat it both in both cold as well as hot. In cold days, you can have a hot pudding, and in summer days like now, Dallas is like super hot these days.
Yeah, like 100 degrees.
100 degrees. So
Recently, Calgary was 120 degrees
yeah, that's right. So
Fahrenheit.
So you beat it till it is completely,
Like this.
yeah, no, it is complete. So there are no, you don't see the egg, the white part of the egg. It's completely mixed
Mixed with the milk.
with the milk. It's a nice clean mixture. So if you have guests coming in, or you want to have a sweet bite,
Or a party.
so it's a very easy dish to make, and it is carb free. So if you
If you are a keto.
a lot of our subscribers are keto, so say they don't eat carbs, so this is perfect for them. So all I'm going to do is put this in microwave. So I'll show you once I put this in the microwave. So guys, as you can see, I put this in the microwave, and I did it for 1 hour. Oh, sorry, 1 minute.
1.5 minutes.
1.5 minute. So you can see it is fully cooked. Depends on your microwave. You may have to put it for slightly longer or lower. You can see it is fully cooked, and if you want, you can use a fork and see if it's cooked. So if it's completely clean, it means it is cooked. If it is not clean, if you see some residue, it means you need to cook it even more. Yeah, you need to cook it even more, and you can see it from the side that it is completely cooked. So this pudding is really hot. Now I'm just going to decorate it with some pistachios.
Pistachios.
Yeah, we have pistachios. Please go ahead. You want to add some raisins. A lot
Yeah.
of people, like my mom, she
Love
doesn't.
raisins.
My parents, they don't like adding any sweetener. They like to add some raisins for the sweetness. You can add some honey or agave, whatever you're comfortable with. So
Or chocolate.
or chocolate, of course, or
That's
sprinkles.
obviously the best.
That's the best choice. So you can see this cute little pudding is done. It took me around around 2 minutes
2-3 minutes.
to make the complete
2 to 3
pudding.
minutes.
To make the complete pudding, and if you don't want to add eggs, you can substitute it using cornstarch. You can add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch instead of 1 egg, and you can add if
1 tablespoon.
one small teaspoon of
Also,
small
like
teaspoon of
half
mustard.
spoon, half spoon.
A small teaspoon, not
like,
tablespoon.
Like the
Yeah.
the spoons we
Yes,
eat.
exactly. So instead of egg, and it's going to taste as delicious as you did with the egg. So please go ahead and enjoy this cute little milk pudding with your family. And till the time we see you next.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.